Interstate 287 in New Jersey between... National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for eastern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Somerset County, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Flemington, or 12 miles west of Somerville, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Somerville, Bridgewater, Flemington, Lebanon, Clover Hill, White House Station, and Raritan. This includes the following highways: Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 21 and 31. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 16 and 21. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a tornado warning for